how do chylomicrons form?
They're like remnants of. This is at least what I think. I'm honestly not very sure. They're like remnants of the cholesterol.
Kind of, yeah. So you got your GI tract, your esophagus, to your stomach, then it comes down to the pyloric sphincter into the duodenum, pancreas, right?
Mm-hmm.
Comes up with the gallbladder right here. Then you got a liver like this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then this kind of comes down like this, and kind of goes like this, and it comes out. Okay, so where do you absorb fat at?
In your duodenum.
The duodenum, and then all the way through this small intestine. Okay, but the enzymes, like you said, are produced in the duodenum, right? And they so what?
So they are or aren't produced?
They are. So which one of these cells on what are these called?
The crypt.
Crypts. There's S, I, and K cells, right?
Uh-huh.
Which cell releases the digestive proteins?
For
Most stuff for like fats.
so it's going to be the stuff from your gallbladder, which is going to be using.
So this is secretin.
So we have secretin, and then we have CCK, and that's going to be your pancreas, right? And that one's going to be that one's GIP, and that one's pH. So it's CCK.
So secretin is what?
Secretin is the one that squeezes. Okay, secretin is the one that's going to it has to do with pH. Okay, so the pH is going to offset secretin, and secretin is going to say, hey, pancreas, put out some bicarb.
Okay. So a low pH from the hydrogen ions in the stomach comes into the duodenum, activates the S cells.
Mm-hmm.
And the S cells go to the stomach, and the stomach tell the stomach to
Decrease motility.
and they go to the pancreas and tell them to release
Bicarbonate.
bicarbonate and water. Perfect. Plus H2O. Should probably write that later, huh? HCO3 minus plus H2O.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, that's released, and then what?
You have like it results wise, or is there more things happening?
So what happens? It gets
As a
squeezed
result,
into
you
what is
have,
this? The something duct.
Hepatic portal duct, or the
Pancreatic duct. And then it gets squeezed into the duodenum. What does it do?
It's going to make the pH higher.
Perfect. Okay. What happens with eye cells?
Eye cells, that's going to be like your digesting enzyme cells.
So what activates it?
So like lipase, fatty acid, or lipids, fatty acids, carbohydrates, protein.
Not only carbohydrates, but cholesterol.
Cholesterol. Okay.
Anything else to do with fat? Carbs are more sugar.
Does it have anything to do with protein or no?
I think maybe amino acids. Yeah, a little bit, but not as much really. It's going to be mostly these guys. Okay. So then eye cells release CCK, and what does CCK do to the stomach?
This is decreased motility.
And it goes to the
pancreas.
over here. What cells?
It's going to Acini cells.
Acini cells in the pancreas to release?
The lipase, amylase, and protease.
Perfect, good job.